Hello, welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be doing a crossrope workout. The one I'm going to pick today, it's an 11-minute strength workout for beginners called Strong Signals. This one consists of 20 seconds of jump with 30 seconds of squat thrusts, back to jumping, 30 seconds of walkouts, back to jumping, switch up the ropes to the heavier rope, the 2-pound rope, back to jumping, push-ups, jumping, walkouts, and then finish up with the basic jump. If you have a set of jump ropes and would like to join in, feel free to do that. I did choose a narrow area to do it today so that I can ensure that I'm keeping my arms and elbows in tight during the workout. So this should give me a good indicator if I'm getting a little bit too wide. Okay, so before we begin, we'll do a short warm-up.
Next up, rest. Body weight squat.
So part of the warm-up, body weight squats. Kind of really get the legs warmed up, soften those tissues.
Next up, rest. Rest.
Okay.
Alternate foot jump.
Well, if you can't do it, you can't do it.
Rest. Rest.
Okay, now we're going to warm up our upper body
Walkout.
by performing walkouts.
Next up, rest.
Okay.
Rest.
One more jump to warm up. A little bit longer.
Alternate foot jump.
All right, that pretty much concludes our warm-up. So
Next up,
next item is the rest right before the start of the workout. So
rest.
5 seconds of rest, workout begins. Okay,
Alternate
Alternating
foot
foot.
jump.
it's my least capable. So we'll work on this one.
Next up, rest. Rest.
40 seconds of rest. And then squat thrust, which will be hard to do in this small area, but we will manage. Squat thrusts consist of, from a standing position, squat down, kick back, stand up. So
Next up,
it's going to be our next
squat
exercise.
thrust.
30 seconds worth.
Squat thrust. Next up, rest. Rest.
All right, 30 seconds of rest. Followed again by alternating foot jumps, which is one that I'm not very good at, so give me a chance to practice that a little bit. So during rest, I try to, like I've said before, really slow down your heart rate and your breathing.
Alternate foot jump. Alternate foot jump. Next up, rest.
Perfect timing.
Rest.
One thing I found with jumping rope is it's one of those exercises that quickly gets your heart rate going, and it's actually kind of fun. So started doing this quite a bit more lately, and definitely have enjoyed my cardio session.
Walk out.
Okay, next exercise is our walkouts.
Walk out.
Tree.
Next up, rest. Rest.
30 seconds of rest, followed by 20 more seconds of alternating foot jumps. Then we'll rest and change out the ropes for the 2-pound rope. Right now I am using the 1-pound rope.
Next up, alternate foot jump. Alternate foot jump.
Using this tighter area is requiring me to keep my elbows in tight. Really just using my
Next
wrists
up, rest.
to turn the rope.
Rest.
All right, we're gonna change out the ropes. I'm gonna get started on that now. Swapping out for a 2-pound rope. If you don't have another rope, that's okay. Give yourself a little extra rest before we start the next part, the next block of this workout. All right.
Next up, change ropes.
So the workout actually gives you 30 seconds to change ropes. So if you're ready, you can skip forward a little bit, about 20 seconds, and we'll get started. First workout of block B is a basic jump.
Next up, basic jump. Basic jump. Next up, rest. Rest.
With a heavier rope, definitely feel more of a whole body recruitment for each of the swings. All right, we're on a rest for 40 seconds, 20 more, and we're gonna get into 20 seconds of push-ups. So focus on
Next up,
getting into your Zen mode. Slow your breathing down, which could help slow your heart rate down. Help it to recover.
Push-up.
I would do 20 seconds of push-ups.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
Next up,
Better
rest.
off. I'm gonna find my way tonight.
Rest.
All right, 40 seconds of rest. Followed by basic jumps, which I'm glad we're doing basic jumps. Heavier rope is definitely a little bit more of a struggle as far as trying to do anything different. So as a beginner, 2-pound rope with basic jump is more than enough.
Next up, basic jump. Basic jump.
What makes this heart beat faster?
Next up, rest. Rest.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
I don't know what the difference is between the 1-pound and the 2-pound rope, but I definitely feel it a lot more through my shins and my calves on the heavier rope. I don't know if it's the cadence being a little bit slower, but I definitely feel it a lot more down here into my
Next
shins
up,
and my calves.
walk out. Walk out. Next up, rest. Rest.
Balance. 40 more seconds of rest. Get into a basic jump. And I think we're pretty close to finishing up this 11-minute workout. So slow our breathing down, trying to help our heart rate recover before we start jumping and get it beating fast again.
Next up, basic jump.
Still with the 2-pound rope, basic jump.
Basic jump. Next up, rest. Rest.
Okay, we're on our final 40 seconds of rest. And that will conclude our workout. So I hope you had a chance to join me on this workout. It was a short one, only about 11 or 12 minutes, but definitely was a good one. Heart rate
Workout
beating
complete.
pretty hard. It's a good thing to do first thing in the morning. Kind of get your body woke up, ready to go. So I wanted to share with you real quickly one of my favorite go-to post-workout supplements, the Redcon 1 Isotope Whey Isolate. It is designed for kind of a post-workout, not necessarily a meal replacement. It's one that's easily digestible. Got 25 grams of protein per serving. I typically just mix mine with water, but I know people mix it with milk, almond milk, things like that. So, but if you're interested in picking up some, Redcon 1 often has very good discount codes listed on their website. I have a discount code that'll give you 20% off, but they often will have very good deals and other discounts, buy one, get one frees. So check out those, but make sure you put John Stroh as your tier operator that referred you. That helps me out, helps keep the channel going, and will also get you a good discount on all of your supplement needs. So if you like that video and enjoyed working out with me on that jump rope program, make sure you give it a like. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.